In this video, I'm going to show you about how to set up your GitHub sponsor dashboard. Now, in the previous video, I have mentioned you how to apply for the GitHub sponsor. So you can either search on GitHub sponsor page and you will be redirected to this particular page over here where you can apply for the GitHub sponsor, or you can click on your profile and click on settings and click on your sponsor button. This will take you into your sponsorship page. Now, once you have applied for the sponsorship, what happens is like you will be getting a mail like this where saying that, okay, your GitHub sponsor profile is live right now. Congratulations. And you can now fill out your profile and you can create a goal and fill out your profile. Now, I'm going to show you how exactly you can optimize your particular profile. So either you can click on your email notification. I have set up my OTP, two-factor authentication. So I can go over here in my phone and enter this 41 over here, and it will load my dashboard. Now here there are a couple of details they will be asking. One is like a short description about you. For example, maybe I have already a short description about myself on my LinkedIn page. So what I will be doing is like I will be copy pasting that. So if you don't have any short description about your profile or about you, I would recommend you to create one, so it would be easy for you guys to go and apply for it. Just write like that for here. All right, so this is like a small introduction about me. So what I will be do is like that's too much. That's a short bio. Oh, they only support 250 characters. Okay, makes sense. So I already crossed 250 characters over here. All right, so that would be fine over here. Now you can write an introduction over here. So this basically focus on how it appears on your GitHub profile. All right, so let's preview it. So this is how it looks like. So it's up to you. You can make it much more attractive and tell the people like, okay, what you're working on right now and why you want to get sponsored, and give some catchy phrases, or you can use the ChatGPT to write a sponsorship page for you. For maybe I can use the ChatGPT over here. So what I will be doing is like give the ChatGPT an introduction about yourself. Now you can come back here and copy paste this one. All right, so it's kind of creating a compelling page for you. See, this is much more better than what I have wrote over here, right? So what you can do is you can just copy paste this one over here, come back here. So this looks much more better than what, oh, it included all these things, right? So what I can do is, okay, just copy only this one. Now I see this. So this is much more streamlined one. Now you have an option to hide past sponsors on your profile. Only show current monthly and one-time sponsors. All right, so you can show this. It's up to your priority. I feel like, okay, I will keep it like unchecked. Feature work, select public responsibility to show on your GitHub profile sponsor. So you can show some feature profile. So I do have some repository over here. So maybe I can select few, Stack Overflow analysis. All right. Now awesome GitHub profile. So these are the profiles I would like to show to my users. Okay, all right, maybe you can select as much as you want, but I believe like this would be fine. Select 4 repos. So those repos will be listed over here like this. So that would be great. Use this area to spotlight sponsor. This is the order of your sponsors profile. Featured sponsored. Okay, you can set it automatic. So you can opt in for the GitHub sponsors. So what happened over here is you will be listed over here in their main profile. Oh, okay. Thank God it's auto saved. Then now you can click on update profile. All right, your profile got updated. Now you can set your goals. For example, you can preview your profile like this right now, and you can see, okay, this is how it looks right now, and there should be one more thing, right? Edit your profile. I think I added my repository, which is not reflected yet. All right, so let me go back over here. Featured work. Let me select open source, Recode, girl script. Now what else? Semi-supervised learning. So 4 out of 6 repository over here. Select the repository. That's it. Update your profile. Now when you come back over here and see your preview profile, you will be able to see your preview. So now it listed features work which you did. That's pretty amazing. Now the next one is like setting your goals. So over here what happened is like you can set some particular goal, saying that okay, you if you provide me $50, so this is what I'm going to provide you. All right, so let's set a goal. So number of monthly sponsors. So monthly goal is something like $100. So give a list about this goal. Here's how you work. Now you can just mention like in the chat GPT, like describe your monthly sponsorship. All right. So maybe just copy paste this one for right now. I'm just doing it for you to understand. So maybe later I will be optimizing this according to what I need. Right now, your support will help me to dedicate innovative science. All right, so that's done. You click on publish. Now let's look at our profile, how it looks like. See, there is like a monthly goal over here appeared. Now the second one is sponsored tires. So this is like, there will be like a tire button appearing over here. So you can, activate those. So you can activate the tire like this. Log on the thing. So for example, you can see it over here. Tire is appearing. Name of the website. Earn this one. Now if you are offering $25, you will be having access to private repository. All right, this one, you will be receiving weekly newsletters. You can, all right. Okay, I can enable this one. All right. I don't want to add the bug thing over here. Now there are like multiple profiles over here where you can get inspired from. So you can go to their profile and see how they have been optimize their profile. So this is like a very good way of doing it. So if you look into my profile and this one profile over here, which one you would be contributing? So this has more genuinity, right? So this thing you can refer over here. Maybe I will just bookmark it right now and we'll come back later and I'll go through all the profiles and we'll get the best one out of each, like that. So that's how I all right, so this is how I created the tire. Now continue to tire editor. So now I already added a monthly tire, which is good. All right, now you can add one-time tires. It's already over here. Now what you will be doing is preview your profile. So one time, monthly. All right. Let me go back. Okay, so it's already over here. You can show a gratitude saying that, okay, thank you for sponsoring me or something like that. Then you can enable them grant access to the private repository or something like that. So that would be great. Now at the moment I'm just publishing the tire just by clicking like that. So publish the tire, click on this one, publish tire. I don't know whether there is any other option to publish all together. Cancel. This is already published. Now when you come back over here, you will be able to see I will be adding one more tire like this. So you can see almost this kind of tires is already been added. So this is been done. Cancel. $100 per month. Tire, cancel. All right, so this has been already done over here. So, and here there is like a one-time tire like $10. So you can click on publish tire. Now there is something called $50 one time. You can click on publish tire, and similarly you do it for the remaining as well. And don't forget to optimize it later. So I'm just showing it to you how exactly you can do this. Now the next one is your sponsors. So this is like again a dashboard. If somebody is sponsored you, you will be able to see the complete summary over here. And you can draft a new email update. So you can send them email newsletters and create a webhooks. And here you will be able to see your personal details. Now this is how my profile looks like once I set it up and optimized it. And don't forget to optimize it much, adding more links and things. And about this, and the users will be also having an option to sponsor you any amount which they would like to sponsor you. So this is how the things works, and I hope you enjoyed this video and understood how the sponsorship tiring is working over here. And once the sponsorship is approved and you have set your profile, so this is how it looks like from a different. Oh, it's already open over here. So I'll go to my profile. So once it's approved, you will be able to see a sponsor button, and any people comes to your account will be able to see how much tire you already selected and what they will be getting based on how much they sponsor you. And if they want to sponsor one time, this is the amount you do, and they can also sponsor you a custom amount. So that would be if I want to sponsor $1, I can select $1. So I selected $10 minimum, so that's why it's showing an alert. So if you want to select $1, that would be great. So that's how the sponsorship thing is working, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and catch you in the next video. Thank you.